Hazrat Anas bin Malik radiyallahu anhu has reported from Hazrat Muaz bin Jabal radiyallahu anhu that he said, I was sitting behind the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam on a mount, whereas there was only the wood of the pack saddle in between me and him. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, O Muaz, I submitted, I am at your service and pleasure, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam. After a while he sallallahu alaihi wasallam again said, O Muaz, I again submitted, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, I am at your service and pleasure. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam after a while said for a third time, O Muaz bin Jabal, I submitted, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, I am at your service and pleasure. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam thereupon said, Do you know what is the right of Allah Jalla Jalaluhu on his bondsman? I submitted, Allah Jalla Jalaluhu and his Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam know the best. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, Allah's right on his bondsman is this, that they worship him alone, without associating any partner with him. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam then travelled for a while and said, O Muaz bin Jabal, I submitted, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, I am at your service and pleasure. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, Do you know what is the right of bondsmen on Allah's blessing if they do so? I submitted, Allah Jalla Jalaluhu and his Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam know the best. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam thereupon said, The right of bondsmen on Allah's blessing is this, that he Jalla Jalaluhu may not torment them. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 6500.